Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. March 2026, we're doing a lot of pre-purchase used car inspections. I'm not working, just got off work probably about 10 minutes ago, so I just want to make some good videos for you. With that being said, I worked on a Nissan today, and the customer wanted me to meet the private person with the Nissan. It was like a 2019 or whatever it was. The car was running like crap. The customer got very irate with me. Part of the things I teach you in pre-purchase inspections, if you're in the 757 area, I teach you body language. So the guy became agitated and said that I did something to his car. And I let him know this is what your car is doing. This is the codes. I even showed the live data. It was actually misfiring like there was no tomorrow. So he said, "What is your diagnosis, sir?" So I gave him the diagnosis, and I pulled the spark plug out that was misfiring. The owner actually paid me to do it. Pulled it out. It was thick with crud, oily crud, and it's misfiring because it's barely any spark in it. I checked the oil; it's almost black, and I'm like, you have an air mixture problem, something going on with the engine. Maybe the piston or the valves are wore out. I do not know, but it is misfiring. So lo and behold, I saved this customer paying over $7,000 for a piece of garbage. If you're in the 757 area, you can go to the Mobile Mechanic 757, the Mobile Mechanic 757.com, and you can go on our website and make yourself a pre-purchase used car inspection. Again, the Mobile Mechanic 757.com. You can do your own pre-purchase used car inspection. Not only can you do that, if you're not in the 757 area and you're looking for a car that's down here, all you have to do is go to this website right here, and I'll do everything for you while I'm down here. If you don't live in the 757 area, which is Virginia, you can go to the same website, the mobilemechanic757.com, the mobilemechanic757.com, and you can click on Buy Documents, and you can scroll down to there's two separate pre-purchase used car inspections. One is for the customer, and it gives you a lot of great information, customers. And number two, it'll teach you how to look around on the car. It's about 10 to 15 pages to go through the vehicle. That is not a complete pre-purchase used car inspection. That is basic, very basic. I also do one-on-one consultations. If you need to go back to the website, do a one-on-one consultation, and I'd be glad to help talk to you, let you know, kind of walk you through it. You can also go back to this same website, the motormechanic757.com, and you can go to my Amazon favorite store and you could buy the diagnostic machine that I use for all my diagnoses. And you've got to understand data. You can't just go by codes. Sometimes the codes are triggered by something else. With that being said, I saved this customer for a whole bunch of money. The owner actually came around, was very nice to me after the fact, because I helped him out, even though he paid me. And I also help the customer out. That's who I'm there for. So I go to dealerships, I go to auctions, and I go to private users. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that follow button. And remember, that's right, you are awesome.